Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner series. This is video number 43. In this video, we will learn proper, upper and lower function in Excel. So let's start. Let's start with the proper function. This function capitalizes the first letter of each word in a cell. It's very useful for names or titles that are written in lowercase. So let's start. So here the first is proper function. You can see this sentence, welcome to Excel for beginners tutorials. And here you can see the letter is showing upper and lower case. So here I'm going to convert in proper case. So let's see how it's done. Simply select the cell, use is equal to, and use here the proper functions and select the text and enter. And that's it. And you can see Excel will instantly convert a proper, neat and professional sentence. So that's it. Next, we have uppercase. This function changes all the letter in your text to uppercase. It's perfect when you want to make your text look bold and uniform, like for the header or quotes. So here, I select the cell and use this equal to and select here the upper function and select the text, enter. And that's it. Here you can see the all letter is capital letters. Okay, that's now let's look at the lower function. This one convert all letters in your text to lowercase. Great for cleaning up email address or the text should not have a capital letter. So let's start. So simply select the cell, then use the is equal to and enter here the lower functions and select the text and enter. That's it. Here you can see full sentence in lowercase. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.